Hello everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. I'm here to share my new B6 and my new Chic Sparrow B6 cover, and also to share my Cocoa Daisy B6 insert that I will be using for this month. So for my insert, I use it to do some journaling. I do it this month. Cocoa Daisy is doing 31 days of prompts and of writing, but instead of doing their prompts, I decided to do a 31 days of prayer prompt. So that's what I'm doing for mine. I am behind, so what I do when I get behind, I just go back and just write a prayer for that day and then write the date that I wrote it to catch up. So because every day I'm not able to write, or I just am not in the mood to write. So that's what I do with that. So first off, I'm going to show you, let's see, should we show, yeah, I will share this first and then I'll share my B6 cover. So on the cover, I used this paper, which is actually paper from the memory keeping kit. So these papers are just mixed. Like this card is a pocket page card, and then I added a sticker that came from the classified kit. So yeah, so here is in the 12 by 12 kit came a embroidered typewriter, which is really cute. So I did not actually adhere it all the way because I didn't know if I wanted to permanently keep it or just keep it temporarily. So all I did was stick some washi tape on the back, and then that way if I want to take it off and reuse it on something else, I can. So yeah, so I'm really excited about this. So we got some little pockets for you can use it for your insert, you can use it for your actual planner, but I put it in here so I can keep my stickers for the month. And I'm just going to share some of the stickers that I have in here. So these stickers are from the new I Am collection by Simple Stories. So the colors just go so well with the kit. So I wanted to keep this in here in case I wanted to add some extra stickers. And then these little flags, page flags, came from last month's kit, so I'm using it. This is just an extra piece from the Bully Bill planner stickers that I ordered from her. Oh, here's another sticker sheet too from the I Am. I just thought this was gorgeous. I also have some pieces from this month's kit. This came from the 12 by 12, and actually on the bottom I like how they have it to where they show where it came from. So this is from the classified memory keeping kit. Circles and the hexagon and different phrases. And then this is really cute too. So that came from the planner classified. And then this is a piece that was left over. So I figured out to keep it in here in case I wanted to use it for something. I do the Reset Faithful Life Club scriptures. So last month I didn't do it as much as I wanted to. So this month I wanted to do it more. So, and once again, the colors just go very well. So here I have I slotted for 4 weeks. So week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. Here is the 31 prompts for prayer time. So, oh, another thing I forgot to show you, I did use tabs, but this month, instead of having the tabs up, I decided to have the tabs down. I think I like that a lot better because sometimes it's just distracting, it being at the top, and then they don't get ruined as fast. Like here, I put this paper clip. I thought it was cute, but the only thing is, excuse me, if you're moving in and out of your planner, then sometimes, yeah, it gets all weird. So anyway, so I'm going to show you. So back to what I was saying about the 31 prompts prayer time. So this is for 31 days of prayer, and I got this from this website. And so I actually found this on Pinterest because I wanted to do a prompt. And then originally on the back, I had printed this from the freebie. So it just actually went cute because if you look closely, you can kind of see the typewriter. So it looks kind of cool, but I thought if I needed extra space to write, I can write here. So what I'm doing, I have here's week 1. Then I have week 2. Here's week 3 that I added. So this came from that Life in Color collection. And the circles are big, but I don't know where else I would use these. And I'm trying to label as much as possible the days of the week. So I just thought it went well. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then on over. And then here goes some of these hexagon stickers. And this is one of the personal pages that I added so I can add another prompt. So because the prompt is daily, I decided to add this in. And these little border stickers right here are actually from this Turn Your Dreams into Plans Erin Condren sticker book. So I like that the stickers have like a watercolor effect, so I was able to use some of the stickers out of there. And then just washi tape this on, and then there's one of the page flags from last month. And then also here, so this page is actually an A5. That's why it was split. This is an A5 page, which it actually goes really nicely into the B6. I was so excited to see that. And I just used, this was a week on 2 pages. So I used this week on 2 pages. This is just one of the pages, and I taped this in, and that's why I split this up for this week. And then I just left this for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And then here, these stickers are from the Planner Society. So I just added the stickers next to this, and I just thought it gave it a different look, and I thought it just went well. So I use this bird washi tape, and then you'll see here, this is where I used the page flags from the Erin Condren book, and they just went very well. And here I split this up because I'm going to use the top for Thursday, and I decided to split this into Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday. So if I do need more room to write, then I'll just add a tip in. Yeah, so that completes the prayer prompts and my Bible writing, or Bible journaling. And here, I'm not sure if I'm going to put pictures. My goal for this month, I actually just purchased this Polaroid Snap Touch camera. So there's times where I want to take quick pictures, like maybe when I'm out at the market or out somewhere, and I have to usually, of course, from the iPhone, plug up my Canon selfie printer and all that. So I wanted something to where it's small. So this prints 2x3, and I could just snap a picture, because even outside there's so many beautiful flowers and lots of birds. So I figured it'd be nice if I have this camera, I can snapshot real quick and put it right into my B6 planner, or my B6 insert, and then journal. So I bought this for convenience. So I'm excited about using this. So 9 times out of 10, I will have some pictures in here. That will make it so much easier. So this right here, I plan on using for some pictures and some journaling. Here is my currently. So this card came out of like a, I forgot, like a Mombi or some kind of Project Life card kit. So I just put this here for like prompts, for currently prompts. So one of the movies we watched was Uncle Nino, which is such a good movie. I recommend this movie, and I watched this movie a couple of years ago. And it's actually, oh, I don't want to spoil it, but pretty much it's a good movie. So it has something to do with where I live. So I'll just give that hint. And it was, I mean, I could relate being here in Italy. I could relate a lot to how he could see how the U.S. is. So it was a really good movie. So yeah. So here I may put some more pictures. Not sure yet, but yeah. And then here is my journaling. So this is where I journal, and I don't, once again, journal every day. So I thought it would be good. There's days where I just want to, I have a whole bunch to say, and there's some days I don't. So that's why I have these pages here, kind of journaling. And then later on, if I want to fill in the pages, I can also add pictures as well. This little cute typewriter, I believe I got it from scrapbook.com. They did like some little freebies for Doodlebug or Doodle Pops. And they sent me 2, and this was one of them. So I was excited to get this. So yeah, so that's the packaging. So I kept that just to show it, but it just went so cute as well. And then another page flag. And just another page of encouragement to myself. So this is probably what that's going to be. It may be just an overview of how the month went. So yeah, so I'm really excited about this B6 this month. And please look out for next month, because next month I'm going to do something different. I have this idea where I'm thinking I want to break my book up and create separate booklets. So keep an eye out for that to see if that's what I do for June. So I have some ideas because I won't have a lot going on in June, so I won't need my A5. So I won't be doing an A5 setup, but I will be doing a B6 setup. So keep an eye out for that. But I still will show my kit. So here I added this paper. This came from Pink Fresh. It's a Pink Fresh 6x6 vellum sheet, and it's a kit that it's old. It's probably like 2000. I don't know if it's 14 or 13. I don't know. But the feathers look good. I was going to put this somewhere, but I didn't know how I went to do it yet. So I just cut this piece to add here. And this is from the March kit. And this is just continuing my continuing my progress, my layout tracker. So that's what that's for. And then I just kind of decorated this in the back. And this is one of those stickers from these kits here. So there we go. So now for this lovely that I just purchased. So this actually came in on the 1st. And this is my new Mr. Darcy Titanic. I put my typewriter charm in here because I didn't want it to scratch. So yeah, that's from the add-on kit, and I am so excited about this. The color is gorgeous. I actually thought it was a little bit bluer, more like this color, a little darker, but it's more green. Like, it's beautiful. I guess it's more like a sea green. So yeah, so I just want to kind of show my setup, and I'm so excited about this. So it's a Titanic Deluxe. I am not good at giving descriptions for the covers. I'm just learning myself, but I can tell you it's beautiful. It's worth the money once again. So I'm not using my brown one anymore because it was short. It was a slim. So now all my books actually fit in here. So I'm so happy about that. And it is gorgeous. I don't want to ruin it, so I'm like very careful with it. Keep it in the cover. That's why this is out, but I'm about to actually put this back in. But yeah, so I have my calendar in here. This is from the 1407. And this is the dashboard for May. So I cut this down and added the May there. And then added this. This is not permanently in here, but this is just a journaling, a pocket life card, and then an embroidered flower. And this is just how I decorate for the months for my calendar for my 1407. And this is just paper from the Planner Society. This card had me cracking up. Spring is here. I'm so excited I wet my plants. That one just, my kids and I saw a video online, and we saw that and we just started laughing. So, and this background paper is actually from the March. So I turned this B6 into a March and April because I didn't write too much for March. So there, once again, there's my Bible prompt and all that. Just very basic journaling and writing. And this is when I went to Germany. I don't even think I finished that. So, yep, this is my unfinished B6 for March. Yeah. So, and then in the back here, I just have a 1407 calendar for when I want to use this. And yeah, so my booklet for this month, I'm keeping my calendar in front. And oops, didn't mean to pull that. And my booklet is going to go right here. So this is how I am using my B6 this month. I hope you enjoyed this video. If I went too fast, please forgive me. I know the video is long anyway. Hopefully I wasn't rambling too much. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And this cover, once again, is beautiful. And keep an eye out, because yes, I did buy another one. They had a sale. So I bought one to match for June. So I will share that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a blessed day.